With temps like these, thank goodness for a warm shop from my wood stove. All right, we're gonna do an oil change today on the Vermeer. So we've got the arms up and we've got our safety brace in place there so that it can't drop. We've removed the sides that come off over here. That way we have access to stuff. And while we're at it, it's pretty filthy, so we're gonna clean that out too. The oil filter is tucked way back in there, so we had to take the sides off to get to that anyway. But let's get to it. There's an access panel underneath that you have to undo to get to the drain hose. The Kubota filter number you'll need is HH160-32093. Thought it would be a good idea to also take off the nose, and it is a good idea because look, there's a rat's nest down in there. We got to clean all this stuff out so we don't get our hoses ate up. Got to make sure you keep stuff cleaned out. As you can see, there was a lot of stuff in there. That was all full of dirt and debris. Now it's cleaned out. Up here was all full, back in there. The other thing you want to make sure that you do is always keep your air filter clean. So we're going to clean that out as well. The oil fill cap is tucked back behind the air filter housing. So you need to have a flexible funnel or some way to get back to that. Your other option, if you don't have one of those, is to undo this right here and take the housing loose and move it out of the way so that you can get back there to that. But we're not going to take it apart. We're just going to put a funnel back in there and fill her back up. Shameless plug here for Amsoil. I don't sell it, but one of my friends does, and it's an excellent product. I've had no problems with it. We've got it going back there to the filler cap with a long funnel, and we've already reached way back in there, and you can see it's white. I've replaced the filter, so we're pretty much back in business. We just got to get this filled up to the proper capacity and we'll be good to go.